We have a UFC Octagon fighter. 14 fighters included. There is an action figure inside. It is a mystery. Let's see what we can get. I know you can get some gold figures and John Jones, Charles Oliveira, etc., etc. So hopefully we can get something good here. Open it up. You get your booklet. You get rare golds. Of course, you get your piece of the Octagon. We get our stickers. Some Conor McGregor stickers. Uh-oh. Is this who we got? Did we get McGregor? Okay. We did. Conor McGregor is our figure fighter, and it even comes with a little UFC weight there. The arms up and down. No hip or leg movement. The head. Turn side to side. You can do a 360. There's our little Conor McGregor UFC figure fighter.